In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lot size on MetaTrader 5. If you're placing a trade in MT5, one of the most important settings to understand is the lot size, because this controls the trade volume you're entering. Choosing the correct volume matters for risk management, position sizing, and making sure your order matches your trading plan. The good news is that changing it in MetaTrader 5 is very simple once you know where to look. To begin, open the order window for the asset you want to trade. Go to the chart of that instrument, then right-click anywhere on the chart. From the menu that appears, choose Trading and then click New Order. If you want a faster method, you can also press F9 on your keyboard, which opens the same order window right away. This shortcut is useful if you place trades often and want to save a little time. Once the order window opens, look near the top of it for the field labeled Volume. This is the area where you set the lot size for your trade. In MetaTrader 5, the volume field determines how large or small your position will be, so it's worth double-checking this value before sending any order. To adjust the lot size, you have two easy options. The first option is to enter it manually. Click inside the volume field and type the exact number you want to use. This is the best choice when you already know your preferred position size and want to enter a precise value quickly. The second option is to use the arrows next to the volume field. You'll see small up and down controls, sometimes shown like plus and minus style buttons, depending on your platform layout. Click the up arrow to increase the lot size or the down arrow to decrease it. This method is helpful if you want to make small adjustments without typing. As you change the value, take a moment to confirm that the volume shown is exactly what you intend to trade. Even a small difference in lot size can affect the size of your position, so it's always smart to review it carefully before continuing. That's all you need to do to change lot size on MetaTrader 5. Open the order window, find the volume field, and then either type the amount manually or adjust it with the arrows. Once you get familiar with this, changing your trade size becomes quick and easy every time you place an order.